In this video I'm going to show you how I installed Windows 11 on the Z800, so let's get started. Hi there, Albitastic here and welcome. For this to work you must have Windows 10 already installed and activated. To install Windows 11 on the Z800 I'm going to use a very special batch file which will automatically install all the tweaks we need to make it trouble-free. To download the special batch file, just Google WinPass11 Auto and then click on this link to Softpedia. That takes you to this page where you click on Download Now. At the next page, click on Softpedia Secure Download and the file should download. You will now need the Windows 11 ISO file from part 1 of this series. Put it on the desktop and click on it. In Windows 10 this will then open it in a virtual disk drive and the entire folder needs to be copied to the desktop. This is because the batch file WinPass11 Auto inserts a special file into the Windows 11 installer and cannot do this to an ISO image. Once the folder is copied, open it, click on Setup and Windows 11 will start. Before you click on Next, you should now click on WinPass11 Auto and this little box will appear. Where it says Channel, choose Dev and then click Install. Follow the instructions until everything has finished and then turn off the internet. If you don't do this, Windows 11 will update everything and then restart and you will have to go through the whole process again. With the internet off, press Next and Windows 11 will then try to update. Because the internet is off, this will continue for some time until Windows 11 times out and continues the installation process. Once you click Accept, Windows 11 will continue to update Windows 10 using pre-installed files. Once that's finished, this page comes up. I click OK and at this page I opt to keep everything and click Install. Then the blue installation screen comes up and the install begins. This can take some time and include several restarts, but don't worry, once it completes the Windows 11 desktop will appear. Since you've upgraded from Windows 10, everything should work as before, and once you reconnect the internet, you should also be activated. So, congratulations! You now have Windows 11 running on your Z800. Or whatever machine you've installed it on. Please let me know in the comments if you had any problems or if you've installed Windows 11 on any other machine. Also let me know how you get on with it and whether you like it or not. So for the moment, take it away, Amelia.
Hello friends. If you enjoyed our video, can I ask you to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a regular viewer. Thank you. And have a lovely day.